Welcome back, fellow adventurers and outdoor tech enthusiasts. Summer 2026 is officially here, and that means it is time to pack your bags, escape the city heat, and head deep into the great outdoors. But before you throw that dusty old sleeping bag and a rusty flashlight into your trunk, you need to see how outdoor technology has completely transformed this year. Camping in 2026 is all about maximizing your comfort, unlocking true off-grid independence, and bringing a touch of luxury to the rugged wilderness. Amazon is currently flooded with incredible, next-generation camping gadgets designed to make your summer trip smoother, safer, and undeniably cooler. We have spent months researching user feedback, analyzing technical specifications, and field testing the latest gear to bring you the ultimate countdown. From revolutionary cooling systems to brilliant off-grid power solutions, we are counting down the top 10 most innovative camping gear pieces you can buy right now. So grab a cold drink, kick back, and let us count down from number 10 to the absolute number 1 ultimate summer camping gadget of 2026. Number 10. The Hydro Flask 32 ounces wide mouth with TempShield. Kickstarting our countdown at number 10 is an absolute summer essential that solves the ultimate hot weather dilemma: drinking lukewarm water after a long day in the sun. The Hydro Flask 32 ounces wide mouth insulated bottle remains an undisputed champion of thermal performance on Amazon for summer 2026. When you are camping in the sweltering July heat, standard plastic bottles turn your drinking water into a warm, unappetizing soup within an hour. Hydro Flask counters this with their legendary TempShield double-wall vacuum insulation, which actively prevents condensation and locks in cold temperatures for an astonishing 24 hours. The 2026 model features an upgraded, pro-grade stainless steel construction that ensures completely pure taste with absolutely zero flavor transfer from yesterday's sports drinks. Additionally, the durable, sweat-free powder coat finish guarantees a secure grip even when your hands are slick with sunscreen or trail sweat. The wide mouth opening makes it incredibly easy to drop in large ice cubes before you leave camp, and it pairs perfectly with aftermarket filtration lids for seamless backcountry use. It is a rugged, beautifully designed hydration tank built to withstand accidental drops onto jagged river rocks without losing its structural integrity. For any summer camper looking to enjoy crisp, icy cold water past sundown, this bottle is an absolute no-brainer for your gear list. Number 9. The Ogery Solar Camping String Lights. Coming in at number 9 is a brilliant gadget designed to completely transform the ambience and visibility of your campsite after dark: the Ogery Solar Camping String Lights. Traditional camping lanterns are great for directional brightness, but they often cast harsh, blinding shadows and attract swarms of summer insects directly to your picnic table. This ingenious system features 30 feet of ultra-bright, flexible copper wire LED string lights that seamlessly unravel from a compact, handheld spool. You can effortlessly drape these vibrant lights across your tent lines, wrap them around tree branches, or string them along your canopy to illuminate your entire site with a warm, inviting glow. The housing unit features an integrated, high-efficiency solar panel on the top, allowing the internal battery to charge passively under the summer sun during the day. It also includes a fast-charging USB-C port for quick top-offs before your trip or during heavily overcast afternoons. With multiple lighting modes including a gentle fade, a rhythmic pulse, and a solid high-output setting, you can easily customize the mood of your evening. The entire unit boasts a highly durable, IPX4 weather-resistant rating, meaning it shrugs off sudden summer thunderstorms and heavy morning dew with absolute ease. It is the ultimate fusion of whimsical campsite aesthetics and practical, energy-independent outdoor illumination. Number 8. The Gerber Stakeout Camp Multi-Tool. Securing the number 8 spot on our list is a masterpiece of compact engineering that compresses an entire toolkit into the palm of your hand: the Gerber Stakeout Multi-Tool. Standard multi-tools are typically designed for general maintenance or tactical scenarios, often lacking the specific features required to manage a busy campsite. Gerber recognized this gap and engineered a lightweight, 3.3-ounce powerhouse packed with 11 distinct tools specifically curated for outdoor enthusiasts. The absolute star of the show is the integrated tent stake puller, an ingenious hook that saves your hands and back from agony when pulling stubborn stakes out of hard, baked summer soil. Beyond the stake puller, it features a razor-sharp, 2.2-inch Scandi grind blade, an aggressive wood saw for cutting kindling, a tent pole splitter, and a rugged file. Cooking prep is made effortlessly simple thanks to the built-in can opener, bottle opener, and a unique set of heavy-duty tweezers for removing stubborn trail splinters. The tool features a built-in carabiner clip, allowing you to securely hook it directly onto your belt loop or backpack strap for instant access. Constructed from premium stain-resistant steel and featuring a tactile, non-slip grip, this highly focused multi-tool eliminates the need to pack heavy, redundant gear. It is the ultimate pocket-sized companion for streamlining your daily setup and maintenance tasks all summer long. Number 7. The Therm-a-Rest NeoAir Micro Pump. At number 7, we have a tiny gadget that eliminates one of the most exhausting, dizzying chores of setting up camp, the Therm-a-Rest NeoAir Micro Pump. After a grueling multi-mile hike through the summer heat, the absolute last thing you want to do is spend 10 minutes blowing your own hot, humid breath into a thick sleeping pad. Doing so not only leaves you lightheaded, but it also introduces destructive moisture and mold into the internal baffling of your expensive mattress. Weighing a mere 2.3 ounces, this ultra-compact, battery-powered electronic pump fits comfortably inside your pocket and does all the heavy lifting for you. It matches perfectly with modern wing lock and twin lock valves, sealing tightly to inflate a standard large sleeping pad to full plushness in less than 3 minutes. Amazingly, this little powerhouse also features a reverse deflation mode, actively sucking every last molecule of air out of your pad, so it rolls up smaller and tighter than ever before. Running on 2 AAA batteries, it provides enough juice to inflate a mattress dozens of times, making it incredibly reliable for extended summer road trips. By keeping your breath out of the pad, you significantly extend the lifespan of your gear while saving your precious physical energy for the trail ahead. It is a beautifully simple, highly efficient luxury that you will never want to leave behind again. Number 6. The RetroWave 7-in-1 Emergency Camping Radio. Taking the number 6 position is the ultimate survival and entertainment hub for off-grid summer adventures, the RetroWave 7-in-1 Emergency Camping Radio. Blending timeless, vintage Japanese design with state-of-the-art emergency technology, this multifunctional device ensures you stay informed, entertained, and completely safe in remote wilderness locations. Summer weather can be notoriously unpredictable, and when cellular networks inevitably fail deep in the mountains, this radio provides crystal-clear AM, FM, and shortwave band reception to track incoming storms. Beneath its handsome analog exterior lies a robust array of modern tech, including a high-fidelity Bluetooth speaker, an MP3 player, a blazing LED flashlight, and a loud SOS distress siren. What truly elevates the RetroWave is its extreme power redundancy, featuring an integrated solar panel on top and a rugged, heavy-duty hand crank on the side. If the internal lithium battery drains while you are miles away from civilization, a few minutes of cranking generates instant power for critical emergency calls or emergency lighting. The built-in USB output transforms the entire unit into a reliable power bank capable of reviving dead smartphones or headlamps in a pinch. It is an incredibly well-thought-out piece of insurance that replaces multiple loose gadgets in your pack while providing absolute peace of mind under the open summer sky. Number 5. The DoubleNest LightLine Hammock. Cracking into our top 5 is an outdoor staple that has been completely reimagined for maximum summer comfort, the DoubleNest LightLine Hammock. There is nothing quite like the feeling of suspended weightlessness while relaxing between 2 massive pine trees during a warm summer afternoon. Yeno has taken their legendary, best-selling double hammock design and hyper-optimized it using an advanced, ultra-breathable FreeWave 70 denier nylon fabric. This specialized material actively channels airflow around your body, keeping you perfectly cool and preventing that sticky, sweaty discomfort typical of cheap synthetic hammocks. Boasting a massive 400-pound weight capacity and extended dimensions, it provides a palatial, unrestricted space to stretch out diagonally for a perfectly flat sleep or share the comfort with a friend. The entire system collapses down effortlessly into an integrated stuff sack that occupies no more space in your backpack than a standard grapefruit. It features premium aluminum wire-gate carabiners and heavy-duty, triple-stitch seams that provide absolute structural security over years of rugged outdoor use. When paired with an optional bug net and a lightweight rainfly, it easily transitions from a casual afternoon lounger to a fully functional, ultra-lightweight summer sleeping shelter. For anyone looking to perfect the art of camp relaxation, this high-performance hammock represents the absolute pinnacle of outdoor lounge comfort. Number 4. The Thermacell EL55 Rechargeable Mosquito Repeller. At number 4 is a true lifesaver that creates an invisible shield against the absolute worst part of summer camping: the Thermacell EL55 Rechargeable Mosquito Repeller and Glow Light. Beautiful lakeside campsites lose their magic instantly when swarms of hungry mosquitoes, gnats, and no-see-ums begin their relentless evening attacks. Instead of slathering your skin in sticky, foul-smelling chemical sprays containing high concentrations of DEET, you can simply switch on this advanced electronic repeller. The EL55 utilizes a high-capacity rechargeable lithium-ion battery to heat a completely scent-free liquid metafluorine cartridge, creating an expansive 20-foot zone of absolute protection. Within minutes of activation, the vapor creates an invisible perimeter that keeps flying pests entirely at bay without any open flames, smoky coils, or harsh odors. This upgraded 2026 model, pulling massive numbers of positive reviews on Amazon, also integrates a dimmable, warm glow ambient LED lantern into its base, pulling double duty as a gorgeous tabletop centerpiece for your camp meals. The rugged, weather-resistant housing is built to handle accidental spills, light rain, and rough transport in a crowded gear duffel. With a battery that runs continuously for over 9 hours on a single charge, it provides an entire evening of uninterrupted, bite-free bliss for your whole group. Number 3. The MSR Pocket Rocket Deluxe Stove System. Securing the number 3 spot on our list is an ultra-reliable camp kitchen component built for rapid summer cooking: the MSR Pocket Rocket Deluxe Stove System. When you return to camp after an exhausting day of swimming, hiking, or climbing, you want a cooking system that boils water fast without any fuss. The Pocket Rocket Deluxe elevates MSR's iconic microstove line by integrating a premium pressure regulator that maintains a consistently powerful flame even when your fuel canister runs low. This means you get lightning-fast boil times of under 3.5 minutes for a full liter of water, even during windy coastal summer evenings. It features a highly durable, push-button piezo igniter safely nested inside the burner head, completely eliminating the need to fumble around with wet matches or broken lighters. The broad, dished burner head pushes heat evenly across the bottom of your cookware, allowing you to actually simmer real camp meals rather than just boiling water for freeze-dried packets. The entire kit nests brilliantly inside an included ultra-lightweight aluminum pot, creating a compact, rattle-free package that drops effortlessly into any backpack side pocket. For solo backpackers or camping duos who demand fast performance, bulletproof reliability, and professional-grade heat control, this compact stove system is an absolute masterpiece. Number 2. The REI Co-op Westward 6 Palatial Tent. Taking the runner-up spot at number 2 is a luxurious, family-sized wilderness shelter that redefines outdoor living space: the REI Co-op Westward 6 Tent. Summer car camping is all about maximizing comfort, and this massive 6-person shelter provides a sprawling 80.8 square feet of interior floor space that lets adults stand completely upright. The absolute highlight of the Westward 6 is its monumental, deep front vestibule, which functions as a fully screened mudroom, a secure gear garage, or a ventilated sunroom. During hot summer days, you can prop the massive front fly door overhead using trekking poles to create an integrated, shaded canopy porch perfect for escaping the direct midday sun. The tent body features an abundance of higher flow mesh panels that promote excellent cross-ventilation, completely eliminating stuffy air and morning condensation buildup. It is constructed with ultra-durable, weatherproof fabrics and a heavy-duty pole geometry that easily deflects violent, unexpected summer thunderstorms. Setting up this palatial structure is surprisingly simple, thanks to an intuitive, color-coded pole configuration that can be managed easily by just 2 people. Packed with heavy-duty internal gear pockets and overhead lantern loops, it transforms any standard campsite into a highly organized, weatherproof luxury estate for the entire family. Number 1. The EcoFlow Glacier Portable Camp Fridge and Ice Maker. Finally, claiming the coveted number 1 spot as the absolute coolest and most revolutionary summer camping gadget of 2026 is the EcoFlow Glacier Portable Camp Fridge and Integrated Ice Maker. Gone are the days of buying bags of melting ice, dealing with soggy sandwich bread, and draining heavy, waterlogged coolers at the end of a hot weekend trip. The EcoFlow Glacier is a state-of-the-art, compressor-driven portable refrigerator and freezer powered by a massive, plug-in rechargeable battery, or direct solar panels. Featuring a dual-zone interior with independent temperature controls, you can keep fresh steaks perfectly chilled on one side, while keeping ice cream completely frozen at 0 degrees on the other. What truly makes this the ultimate summer gadget is the built-in, high-speed ice maker that produces 18 solid ice cubes in less than 12 minutes flat, giving you an endless supply of ice for refreshing summer cocktails right at your picnic table. The hyper-efficient compressor pulls minimal power, allowing the unit to run for up to 40 hours off its internal battery, or indefinitely, when hooked up to a portable solar array. It features rugged, oversized wheels and a heavy-duty telescoping handle that lets you roll it over sand, gravel, and dirt trails with absolute ease. This game-changing machine completely eliminates the traditional limitations of outdoor food storage, representing the absolute pinnacle of high-tech summer camping luxury. There you have it, the top 10 coolest camping gear and gadgets to upgrade your summer 2026 adventures. Embracing these incredible innovations not only takes the stress out of camp chores, but also unlocks an entirely new level of enjoyment under the open sky. We have placed direct Amazon links to every single product we counted down today in the description box below, so you can easily check prices and grab your favorites before your next big trip. If you love this countdown and want to stay ahead of the curve on the absolute best outdoor technology, please slam that like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring that notification bell so you never miss an episode. Now, we want to hear from you. Which of these next-level gadgets is a must-have for your summer setup? Let us know your thoughts, favorite camping spots, or gear questions in the comments section below. We love chatting with you guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. Pack smart, stay safe out there in the heat, and we will catch you in the very next video.